Campaigning gaining momentum for the first phase of the assembly polls in Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses rallies in Veraval, says double-engine government is necessary for the nation's future. UN Conference of Parties ends with historic decision on damage fund. NPP State President Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi predicts absolute majority for NPP in state assembly polls, says the party will contest in 54 seats. And India beat New Zealand in the second T20I by 65 runs to take a 1-0 lead in the series. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that a double-engine government is necessary to decide the golden future of the country for the next 25 years. Modi was addressing an election rally in Veraval today. He said his government has worked to empower citizens, farmers, youth, women and fishermen and brought policies to empower them. The Prime Minister highlighted various welfare schemes of the government such as free LPG connection, toilet facilities, Ghar Ghar Nal Se Jal and Ayushman Bharat. The 27th UN Conference of Parties, or COP27, today agreed for establishing the Special Loss and Damage Fund. The funds will help to make up for the losses suffered by developing nations that are vulnerable to climate change. Confirming the agreement for creating a loss and damage fund, the COP27 in a tweet said, "History was made today at COP27 in Sharm el-Sheikh as parties agreed to the establishment of a long-awaited loss and damage fund for assisting developing countries that are particularly vulnerable to the adverse effects of climate change." NPP will field candidates in 54 out of 60 constituencies in the State Assembly polls due in 2023. This was stated by the party's State Unit President Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi. He said that the party is confident of securing absolute majority to form the next government on its own. On the question of post-poll alliance, Kharlukhi said that first the NPP should get absolute majority. On the party's stand on the CAA, Kharlukhi said that the party's stand against CAA is the same as before and will continue to be so. The Rajya Sabha member also downplayed the claim of the leader of opposition Mukul Sangma that NPP will not get even 6 seats in Garo Hills.
What we need is a powerful presence of people from the Northeast to be heard in Delhi. That's why NPP is built on that. We will wait, I'm having patience. It took us from 1999 to 2018 to come to power in Meghalaya. I will see a day that this will happen in the parliament in Delhi. You see, the leader of the opposition, I told him in 2018, they won 20 seats as Congress. Then they defect to the Trinamool. They are yet to be tested by the people of Gargils. And I do pray and hope that he knows how to calculate himself politically, or else he may lose his seat also.
The 10th Chattisgarh Kharkongor Memorial Football Tournament concluded yesterday with Sailong Yalong winning the trophy. In the final, held at Kyangnangba Stadium, Joai, they defeated Mukla right by a solitary goal scored during extra time. The final match was witnessed by General Secretary, Meghalaya State Olympic Association and the eldest son of late Chattisgarh Kharkongor, Finely Paryat, as the chief guest, along with his brother Dr. Defender Paryat and Joai MLA Wailat Makishila. The lone goal of the match was scored by Daurahui Pale, who received the top scorer of the tournament award. The chief guest and his brother handed over the runners-up and champions trophy respectively. The West Jaintia Boxing Association has felicitated 3 boxers from the district who won medals at the Northeast Olympic Games held in Shillong recently. They were welcomed at Thadlaskain by the president of the association, One Bike Su, and their family members. The 3 boxers are Bandon Kupar Sana from Latlabo, who won a gold medal in the 57 to 60 kg category, Bhalang Shadab from Narwan, who also won gold in the 63.5 to 67 kg category, and Baya Mutlang Sungo from Minsu A, who won bronze in the 60 to 63.5 kg category. The felicitation program was presided by the Chief Advisor of the Association, Rudolf Lalu. Speaking on the occasion, Lalu said that the district has a lot of talented boxers but need proper infrastructure. When asked, Baya Mutlang Sungo said that the present government is supportive as far as sports is concerned. He urged the government to provide up-to-date facilities and training centres in the district.
Yung ka West Jaintia Boxing Association da jadi somut ki boxers ko represent the state. The lingut to hap ki ka men's category, we ka wi to ka na women's category. The snap strong khanai phi wa ni ka ni wa ne ki ni lingut arngut da yo ik tamakser wa wi di yo ka tamarupa. Kan wa kan thai ta memang wa poi ka chikathong rai da clear yo ik first round nun yo medal kala.
Personal hi ka जिसके अगने का सरकार कवागत नि बानी गवा कंपेयर बानी गवा रिम तस्याव एकुबलेश बोना यगने का सरकार होगत नि हवा जो ओ उनको बुरम गई अने जो एमसेंग गई लंबा के पिसा सिलाइन वा तंगगनी गवा उदप मेघालया गेम ला दंगयो जिंगरम नगलियang सरकार.
Surya Kumar Yadav's unbeaten 111-run knock followed by a spirited bowling performance saw Team India defeat New Zealand by 65 runs in the second T20I of the three-match series on Sunday. With this win, Team India have gained a 1-0 lead in the three-match series. For India, Deepak Hooda returned with 4 wickets. Earlier, Surya Kumar Yadav's unbeaten 111-run knock guided Team India to 191 for 6 in 20 overs. Surya Kumar smashed 111 off only 51 balls to keep the momentum towards Team India after an initial fall of wickets. For New Zealand, Tim Southee took a hat-trick in the last over, while Lockie Ferguson also scalped 2 wickets. And now for the weather. The maximum temperature is 23.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature at 12 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 44%, rising marginally to 48% in the evening. The forecast tells us dry weather is likely in most places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers can now visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And for our viewers who may have missed out, here's a quick recap of today's top stories. Campaigning gaining momentum for the first phase of the assembly polls in Gujarat. Prime Minister Narendra Modi addresses rallies in Veraval, says double-engine government is necessary for the nation's future. UN Conference of Parties ends with historic decision on damage fund. NPP State President Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi predicts absolute majority for NPP in State Assembly polls, says party will contest in 54 seats. And India defeat New Zealand in the second T20I by 65 runs to take a 1-0 lead in the series. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching.